Hello everyone, my name is Zhen Peng, and I'm a postdoc from David Baum's lab at the Wisconsin Institute for Discovery. We are generally interested in using interdisciplinary approaches to investigate how life originated from simple abiotic materials. In this study, we proposed the concept of seed-dependent autocatalytic system, STAS. We detected multiple stases among abiotic and biotic reactions, and also found that the stepwise activation of stasis provides a mechanism for a reaction network to complexify over time and better exploit the environment. We found that stas-organized reaction networks could potentially exhibit multiple lifelike features such as seeding, trophic hierarchy, and mutualism, even without enzymes. This means that the stas-based mechanism may not only be of theoretical values, but also could direct experimental studies. With that, I'd like to thank all members of our lab, our friends and collaborators, and the funding sources. Thank you.